InField allows users to capture fields and add their related crop information, ensuring a seamless process. Let's get started with the step-by-step walkthrough. After creating your season, navigate to the Fields section by selecting it from the left sidebar. First, zoom in on the map to locate the specific field you want to add. Once there, click on the Add Field button to begin entering the necessary details for your new field. To draw field boundaries, click along the edges of the field on the map to begin outlining the boundary. Keep clicking on the map to add points to the field boundary. To adjust a boundary, click and drag the point to the correct spot. If you need to redo the boundary, click Undo in the top right corner. To finish, either click the starting point or double-click the last point. Add your field information by entering the field name and production unit code. InField will automatically calculate the field's hectares based on the drawn boundary, but you can adjust this value if needed. Once complete, click Save at the bottom to create your field. Crop information can be directly added to each field within the field records. Navigate to the field which you want to access and click on the Add Crop Information option. Click on the field name column and select the field to which you want to add crop information. If the same crop applies to multiple fields, you can select them all at once. To choose the crop type, select the appropriate option from the crop drop-down, then pick the specific cultivar. The field coverage will default to 100%, but you can adjust this if the crop covers only part of the field. Next, select the planting date and planned harvest date from the calendar. Enter the plant spacing and row spacing in meters, allowing the system to calculate the total plant count. If multiple crops or cultivars are grown on the selected fields, select the Add Crop or Cultivar option and repeat the steps to complete the information. Once the form is complete, select the Save button. To edit a field, start by accessing the field information. Users can access their saved fields, review the information, and update it by selecting the Edit Crop Information button. That concludes our walkthrough on capturing fields and adding crop information within InField. For more support, please access our Help Center articles.